Okay.
Petroleum Conservation Research Association is a Ministry of Petroleum organization which is working in the field of energy conservation, fuel conservation, and creating awareness among the people. So this van we are going to launch from Goa, from this Kadamba depot, which will travel around 2,000 kilometers for over a period of 1 month, and it will go to schools, villages, on rural remote areas. It will cover the in and around the Goa and spread the message so that we are able to save fuel and save our fossil fuel, because fossil fuels are going to deplete and they cannot be created. Like we can grow the rice and all these things, but we can't grow the fossil fuel. So the more you preserve, the more you save. And basically our country's economy, this depends 80% depend on the imports. So our precious money is going out in the form of dollar. So the more we create awareness, especially our van will go to the schools and create among the children, which are going to be the future citizens down the line.
How do you
See, it is not that once you purchase a vehicle for your home also, you incur one-time expenditure. But the more you run, you are going to incur routine expenditure. So operating cost will come down if they are able to save the fuel as far as KTC is concerned. And we are giving the training to drivers also how to operate the vehicles. Like general public also should be aware, once you stop at signal for more than 1 minute, you should stop the engine.
As far as conservation of energy is concerned, this is very essential. And lack of knowledge and ignorance is a hurdle to that.
Yeah.
So they are going to every villages and every spot where a public are there, and they will initiate and they will give knowledge about the initiatives to be done. So out of 2,000, at least 10 or 20% will learn from this. And there will be a lot of saving because fossil fuel is required to be preserved.
गेली 10-15 वर्सां ड्रायव्हरांक ट्रेनिंग दिता आनी त्या हातूंतल्यान आमी सजेस्ट केल्ले PCRA की पब्लीक जो आसा तांकां अवेरनेस जावपा खातीर कितें तरी तुमी एक साधन करा आनी त्या खातीर तांणी ही जी बस आसा ती तयार केल्ली आसा. 4 फेब्रुवारी ते 13 फेब्रुवारी पर्यंत जो ट्रॅफिक सेफ्टी वीक चलतलो त्या हातूंत भितर कदंबा महामंडळ आनी PCRA अशे दोगांच्या संयुक्त विद्यमानान ही आमी गोंयभर ताजे पब्लिकाक सुद्दां हे अवेरनेस दितले.
बरी गोष्ट आहा जे अवेरनेस पळय घेतला पळय ते, आनी डिजल कन्जम्पशन पळय आहा ते दिसान दीस वाडत आहा. प्रायवेट बसी वरसून आतां आमी धंद्याना आमकां कळटा, पूण जो अवेरनेस घेतला आनी जे पळय कॅम्प ऑर्गनायज करता ताका आमी फूल सपोर्ट करतले. तांकां कितें जावो तितलो हेल्प आमचो आसतलो आनी त्या प्रमाणे तेंच्यांनी पळय कितें सुचना आसतल्यो पळय त्यो आमकां पाळपाक आमकां बंधनकारक आमी घालून घेतले.